I'll take a pattern, suppose 40. Pattern 40 will go now. That new pattern is that is below 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? And again is the 1, 2, 3, 4. And again next 1, 2, 3. And again here 1, 2. And here which one 1, like this. Right? So here first 4 spaces, 1 star, 3 spaces and 2 spaces and 1 space, right? So let's take this pattern now. When I is 1, when I is 2, when I is 3, when I is 4, then when I is 5. Right. So same thing all of observe here. This is when I is 1, when I is 2, when I is 3, when I value is 4, then I value is right. The same here. So here take just 4 spaces, guys. Just normally 4 spaces and 1 star. Next 3 spaces, 3 spaces and 2 stars. 2 spaces, 3 stars. 1 space, 4 stars. No spaces, 5 stars. Same here. I will take this one J for spaces and for stars. We'll take the K. We'll take the K here. Let's take iterations. Iterations when I value is 1. At that time, what is the J? And then what is K? Right? When I value is 1. When I value is 1, then J, how many times iterating now? 4 times iterating. J how many times? J 4 times iterating, okay? J 4 times iterating. And K, how many times iterating? Only 1 time iterating K. When I value 2, J iterating how many times now? 3 times only. And K now 2 times. When I value 3, J iterating 2 times, but K iterating 3 times, means 3 starts coming. When I value 4, J iterating only 1 time, K iterating 4 times. When I value is 5, then J iterating no times, and K iterating how many times? 5 times. That's all. This is what we'll try now. Okay, all of you guys. So let's take now. Pattern 40 here. Same input of enter n number of rows, evolve, then n equal to, right? For I in range of, so for I in range of 1 comma n plus 1, 5 times iterating, right? And then, so for j in range of, okay, so j 4 times should iterate 1 2, let's take the n minus n means 5, 5 minus 1, 4, 4 before 3 times only coming, then n plus 1 minus I. So n means what? 5. 5 plus 1 6. 6 minus 1 5. So 5 before 4. 4 times correct. Right? All of you. So we'll take here when I value 1, then j is what? J iterating how many times now? When I value is 1, 1, n plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 1, 5, 5 before 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times iterating. When I is 2, when I is 2, so how much now? So 5 plus 1, 6, 6 minus 2, 4, 4 before 3, so that 1, 2, 3, 3 times iterate. When I value 4, sorry, when I value 3, then 1 2 2 times when I value 4, then 1 time when I value 5, then no iterations, okay. In that case, what I want to display, I want to display the space, all of you and equal again, not here space. And now about this for k loop, how many times? First 1 time, then 2 times, 3 times, right? K in range of so let's take the 1 to 1 plus I, 1 to 1 plus I. That means so when I value 1, so 1 plus 1 2, 2 before 1, so that it iterates 1 time start display. When I value 2, 1 plus 2 3, 3 before 2, 1 2 2 means it iterates 2 times. When I value 3, 1 plus 3 4, 4 before 3 is 1 2 3, 3 times iterate. When I value 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 before 4, so 4 times it iterates. When I value is 5, automatically 5 times it iterates, right? And this every time what I would display, star display, okay? Display what? Star, then again int equal to what? Empty space. Then to go to new line, we use empty print, okay? Right, let's take the 5, yes. So here, all of observe more number of spaces, right? So more number of spaces. So how many spaces are there? Can you guess now? Totally first time when I value 1 means in first row, how many spaces now? 4 times iterating 4 times iterating j, each time are 2 spaces coming, 2 spaces, again 2 spaces, again 2 spaces, like that. And I'll try here that execution flow. I try the execution flow, just observe. Right. So in this case, what is happening? When I value 1 means first row, the j how many times iterating 4 times. 4 times means each time 2 spaces coming, like that means, so see, 1 like that. When I j value 1, 2 spaces. When j value 2, 1, 2, like that. When j value 3, again 1, 2, like this. When j value 4, again 1 2, like that. Means now what is over now? The j 4 times over, then next to k. So what time iterating, then star space displaying, star space means first time how many spaces displaying here? 4, 4 into 2, 8 spaces coming now, 8 spaces, 8 spaces there, and the star space, totally 10, 10 over. Total how many over? 10 over, right? Okay, all of you. New line. Empty print means new line. Okay, new line. Next, when I value 2, j how many times now? 3 times. Means 3 into 2, 6 times space is coming. When j value 1, 2 spaces. When j value 2, 2 spaces. When j value 3 also, 2 spaces. That means, observe now. So 1, 2. When j value 1 over. When j value 2, again 1, 2 over. When j value 3, again 1, 2, like that. So over. Next J over. Coming to K. K how many times now? Two times. Each time a star space, star space. So star space coming. That's all. That is what actually got the output. Next, new line. New print means new line. Okay, new line. When I value 3, at that time, J two times iterating. Means space. Okay, when J value 1, two spaces. When J value 2, two spaces. When J value 1, 1, 2, two spaces. When J value 2, 1, 2, two spaces. Why two spaces means you can see by printing the one space and decode another space, right? Now, when I value 3, 2 times J over. K how many times? 3 times. When K value 1, star space. When K value 2, star space. When K value 3, star space. So star space, like that. Now, K over. Just a new print time. Empty print means new line. Means I value 4. At that time, only J iterating one time. Then K 4 times. 4 times start coming. When J value only one time, so one time over, space over. And K 4 times means star space over. Next, when I value 5, J no iterations means no spaces. And then K 5 times, 5 times start displaying star space, like that. This is what actually getting output. This is what actually getting output. But actually, this is not the required output. So when I value 1, 4 times generating 4 into 2, 8 times space coming. 8 times space coming. But how many times required? Actually, 4 times only space required. When I value 2 and J 3 times generating 3 into 2, 6, 6 spaces coming. But required only 3 spaces only. That means we should decrease the spaces like this. Okay, so at that time, when I value 1, J iterating 4 times and only 4 spaces coming, exactly 4 spaces only. When I value 2, J 3 times iterating exactly only 3 spaces coming. When I value 3, 2 times J iterating only 2 times only space coming. Okay, now the same one, all of you, let us try now. Let us try. When I value 1, so J iterating 4 times and only 4 spaces coming. That means observe now. When I value 1, first line means J1 space, J2 space, J3 space, J4 space, J over. Then K star space. That's all over. All of you. In case of K, star space is there. Over. Next new line means I value 2. When I value 2, J 3 times means 3 spaces. 1, J1, J2, J3. Then K 2 times star space like this. Over. Next new print, empty print means new line. Go to new line. Means I3. When I3, only 2 spaces coming. 1, 2, that's all. And K 3 times iterating. K 3 times iterating. So star space. Right? Means K over. What next one? Empty printer means new line. New line. Okay. Means I value 4. When I value 4, only J one time iterating means only one space. And K how many times iterating? 4 times iterating means star space. Over. Again the empty printer, new line. The new line means I value 5, no space, no iterations, means no spaces. K iterating 5 times, so star space. That's all. All of you. Just if you delete the a single space in the J loop, then the pattern changing, guys. The pattern changing like this. All of you. Okay. So this is the a new pattern, that is the number 40, right? Now